ito ang dahilan bakit nagbibigay ako ng mga free riding tips. Buhayin ba naman ang anak ko after this? Guys, Coach Sam Tamay here, and I just want to share kasi siguro mahalaga rin for those who have watched my tutorial video tips. Why do I share it? Why do I share tips? And marami rin nagtatanong, why do you charge like only 1,500 when you teach? And it's because this is my passion for everyone to be safe, and I've been doing this to grow off-roading the last 2 decades. Why? Kasi po back in 1999, ito po yung unang real reason why I had a near-death experience. I lost my dad, namatay siya. That's why I'm really passionate about safety riding, safety driving. Kaya po ako malalim yung pinanggagalingan doon is I wanna serve God. I wanna witness that God is faithful. Binigyan niya ako ng second life. And the second life that I'm living right now is not for money, not for anything else but serving. Pero ang napili ko kasing mundo to serve our riders, especially with my expertise in off-roading. Kaya nga nandun yung sinishare ko yung background ko, yung credentials ko. Patotoo ko rin yun testimony of how good God is and how faithful. And with all of that achievements, I kind of coach, parang libre na nga diba? So pangalawa is because 2 years ago, nung yung anak ko si Joshua po ay medyo nawala ako sa coaching for 4 years kasi na preoccupy ako just coaching my kids. Kasi pangarap daw nila maging katulad ng daddy nila, racer. So kailangan suportahan, diba? Kasi binigay sila sa atin ng Diyos. So 2 years ago, during our MMF USA trip in racing, na-aksidente po yung anak ko. Shout out, na airlift po siya talaga. Shout out to the Lord Jesus for healing him. And nangusap siya talaga sa akin kasi nangako ako noon habang lumilipad yung my wife Faith and my son sa helicopter. Sabi ko, Panginoon, buhayin mo yung anak ko. Hindi ko kayang mawalan ng anak. Nawalan na nga ako ng tatay noong 1999. Hindi ko kakayanin. And yun po yung nangyari na pagdating doon, hematoma and severe head concussion, and yun yung mga symptoms. And sabi nga ng